The second management function is organizing. What is organizing? This is about using the plan created in the first step and bringing the physical, financial, and all the other resources that are available to reach the organizational goal. You in fact need to arrange your resources to the right task. The objective is to bring your plan to life and provide the resources to do so. It is also important to explain the plan and find the right people to make the plan work. The top level managers will organize the teams that are below them, whereas the lower level managers will be taking orders to ensure the well functioning of this plan. It is important to assign the right people to the right jobs because this can damage productivity. Organizing is important to ensure that the company is functioning properly. This function ensures a structure and basically puts the plan into action. So, how to organize? There are 4 steps. 1. Identify activities and classify them. 2. Assign the duties and resources. 3. Delegate authority and create responsibilities. And 4. Coordinate authority and responsibilities. So, how I organize? For the first step, this step is to identify the different roles and activities and what tasks each role would need to perform. The first role I decided that I would need would be someone in our team to be announcing on social media that we'll be offering a delivery service with our products. This person will also be able to take care of the different orders that will be on our social media, so collecting the orders. The second role I would need to be is the person taking care of purchases and make sure that there will be enough products in inventory to satisfy all clients' needs. This person will also be assigned to the reduction of the products. The third role that we need is somebody preparing the orders to be delivered. Probably need 2 people for this role because there will be a lot of work. A fourth role that we need is someone who takes care of collecting the payments. And fifth role is somebody delivering the orders and make sure that everyone has their order. So for the second step, this process is to assign the right roles to the right people. So for the first role, I would assign someone that is good with social media and communications. And for the second role, I would assign the person who is already taking care of the purchases of the salon. It's important to note that we already have 2 people working in these fields of area. For the third role, I need somebody who's accurate and precise. For the fourth role, I would ask the employee in charge with the accounting of the business to do so. And lastly, for the fifth role, I need somebody who is dynamic and responsible because they will meet the clients. Third step, delegate authority and create responsibilities. I know this is a stressful project and that we're having a stressful situation right now, so I will definitely have to delegate some work. So I must stay calm, delegate some responsibilities, and I also have to trust my employees with what they are going to do. And for the fourth step, coordinate authority and responsibilities. We'll probably have to coordinate responsibilities between employees. Some employees will have to work together and help each other. For example, the person taking the orders will be able to help the person that is making the orders. Because probably this is going to be more work than just taking the orders, noting the orders. So now a little interaction. So, what is the first role that I need in this current situation? Is it A, somebody collecting the payments, B, somebody preparing the orders, C, somebody announcing on social media that we are taking orders, or D, somebody delivering the orders? The correct answer is C. So if you go on to the next section of the project, you'll find a little bit information about staffing. Thank you very much.